Hey YouTube! Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting announcement for you all, and you may have a hint of what it is by the title of this video and by where I am right now. But I am about to announce some really big stuff and give you a view into what I will be doing this summer and fall. So before there's any more anticipation, I'm just going to jump right into it. This summer and fall, Nick and I will be living out of this 21-foot travel trailer and traveling across the country. We will be doing sort of a American public land extravaganza, and we'll be visiting different pieces of public land throughout the country, fly fishing in the summer, hunting in the fall, and experiencing a lot of new places and going back to old places that we know we love. So we bought the trailer a couple weeks ago and we've been cleaning it up, working on it a little bit, and it's not done. I still have a decent amount of things that I want to do to it to make it feel a little more homey and a little more like us. So currently it's under construction, so like don't look too hard behind me. And I will do a full, thorough walkthrough once everything's done. I'll give you guys a little peek of it now, just, you know, why not? And then a full update once it's all complete and we actually hit the road. But that is the big news. So if any of you have lived on the road, have experience with travel trailers or RVs, or have suggestions of places that we should go visit, the sky is the limit. We are going to be digital nomads, if you will, creating content, and all of our work is online. If you have more questions about what we do, let me know and maybe we'll make a video about that too. I'm so excited. We'll be living on the road, working on the road, and exploring. Let me give you a peek at the RV and give you a little more detail into that. So again, forgive me. This is under construction right now, but this is what it looks like. It is a 21-foot Palomino Gazelle ultralight. We have basically a queen that stays down, tons of storage, a dinette that folds into another sleeping area if we have guests, a full kitchen. Check this out. This is a freezer, which I hopefully will be able to put some wild game in there. So that's the RV, the inside for the most part. I'll show you the bathroom, although I don't really think you care. Woohoo! Bathroom. Through the outside. Oh, that's what she looks like. And again, under construction, but pretty freaking cool. So we're set to hit the road the week of June 4th-ish. And our first stop will probably be Montana. So any good spots in Montana, holler. We'll see where we go from there. Or if that's even where we go first. I don't know. It's gonna be an adventure and I'm very excited. But thank you all so much for watching this video. I know it's short. I just wanted to fill you guys in and let you know what's going on. I'm about to head out and do a little fishing before the sun goes down. Thank you for watching. I'm excited to share this journey with you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.